So looking at rational and non-rational numbers. Okay, so rational numbers is any number that is an exact fraction, and the decimal may keep reoccurring. While non-rational number, also known as a rational number, is any number that is not an exact fraction. So which of the following are rational and which are non-rational? So 9 is a rational number. It's just like even a fraction, because 9 over 1 is like a fraction. So 1 over 9 is an exact fraction, so it's a rational number. So let's check square root of 9. Square root of 9 is 3, so 3 is a rational number. 0.9 is a rational number. 2 over 3 is also a rational number. If you even check the decimal of this value, that is 2 over 3, that is 3 times 2 6, 7 8, 8 over 3. In decimal, we're going to arrive at 2.6666 continuously. This shows that it is repeating. So, and the rational number say the decimal may keep reoccurring. So it's a rational number. So I think all fractions are the rational number. This is a rational number. This decimal here is a rational number. Since it's not continuing, it has already stopped at one point. So root 16 is 4. So it's a rational number. 4 is a rational number. All numbers are rational numbers. Okay. Square root of 17. Square root of 17. Let's check square root of 17 now. Square root of 17 will give us, square root of 17 gives us 4.1231056256. This is an irrational number. As you can see, just giving different numbers, not in like a kind of pattern, repeating a number. There's no repetition here. So this is not a rational number, it's an irrational number or non-rational. So I is a non-rational number. So let's look at the next one. J, square root of 10. So square root of 10. Let's see the value now. It gives us 3.1622776602. That's where my calculator stopped. I'm sure it will still be continuing, but it's not in a pattern. Like, see the way this one is now, it's in a pattern. So this one too is an irrational number or a non-rational number. Okay, square root of 100. Square root of 100 is what? Is 10. So this one is a rational number. 22 over 7. 22 over 7 is a rational number since it's an exact fraction. 3.142 is a rational number since it has a destination, kind of stop in one destination. That means the rest may be 0, 0, 0. But pi is an irrational number. And if you notice, you know that pi is the same thing as 20 over 7. But you know that 20 over 7 is like the approximation of this pi. It's not like they are not the same exact value. Let's see what pi gives us now. Pi gives us 3.141592656. I'm sure it still continues. My calculator just stopped at this range. Okay, so if we are to do 20 over 7 now, for instance, now let's see what 20 over 7 give us. 22 divided by 7 gives us 3.142857142.9. If you notice, 314, okay, now this place is 1, but this place is 2. So one thing that this one, 20 over 7, just like the approximation, is the approximation of this long number. They approximated this 5 to this, round it up to 2. So that's why we can ignore this one. So it's an approximation. That's why we approve it as a rational number. And this one just goes on continuously like that. So this one is a rational number. That means this one too is a rational number, which is this here. Let's go on. Square root of 8. Let's see now. Square root of 8 will give us 2.8284712447. Can see scattered numbers. So this is not a rational number, it's an irrational number. Okay, so if you notice, most of the square roots and most of the ones with square root that will give long irregular numbers are rational numbers. There's square roots with something like 49 that has one value. Square root of 49 now is 7, so this one is a rational number, because you can even make the reoccurring like 0000, but it's still 7. Okay, so square root of another one, square root of 4.9, that's this. Let's see now, square root of 4.9. No, 4.9 is not the same thing as 49. So let's see what the square root will give us. 4.9. Okay, it gives us 2.2135943621. Obviously an irrational number. Okay, so 4.9 square, this is a rational number. To give you a rational number, 1 over 4.9 is a rational number. Okay, it's a rational number since it is in a fraction like manner. So why this one has 0.6 point dots here, it's an irrational number. What this place is trying to say that it is 0.66666 continuously to the word end. The same to this one is a rational, this one is an irrational. What am I saying? So this one is a rational number. This was 0.66666 continuously, so it is repeating. That means a rational number. This one too is a rational number. That means 6.77777. Okay, while this one now, square root of 2 number 1 over 4. What's 2 number 1 over 4? That's 4 times 2, 8, plus 1, 9. 9 over 4. That is square root of 9 is 3, square root of 4 is 2. This one is a rational number also. So square root of 5. Square root of 5, that's what square root of 5 would be. I'm sure this one is an irrational number. It gives us 2.2360679775. It's an irrational number. Okay, so we have 0.83. So 0.83, what it means to be repeating, 83, 83, 83. So this one is a rational number. This one's rational number. It's keep repeating, 28286767. Okay, so that's it about this section of rational and irrational number.